Woo, 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 woo. We are officially moving in. This is our apartment. Welcome to an empty apartment tour. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Janny, one half of Fashion Curious, and we are moving in to our apartment. So I technically still live in Minnesota because I work in Minnesota, but we're work from home right now. So I've come home to Dallas with the family, going on over a year now. But my boyfriend has no closet space and I have lots of clothes, even though I've left half of them. So we decided might as well look around. A lot of people were having Corona or COVID specials because who is living in these apartments? I don't know. I mean, I guess me, but 2 months off, 3 months off, might as well get a couple of free months worth of rent. So that is what we've decided to do. Welcome. So when you first walk in, you are in the kitchen. We don't have a kitchen island, which was kind of annoying, but we're about to DIY that. So that should be interesting. Kind of an open concept. It's more of a loft, but not like a vintage loft since it was just built. And then you have the bathroom here. There are 2 bathrooms. So this is the first one. Then you walk into the living room. I like this little nook area for like a comfy, cozy couch. We honestly kind of struggled on where to put the couch. Technically, it's supposed to go like halfway through and you're supposed to look at that wall, but it's kind of a small space and we wanted a comfy, cozy couch. So I think we're gonna do it in this little corner here and then put the TV either right by that door or on this wall and just kind of look across. But TBD. And then there's the office. So both my boyfriend and I work from home, so office is kind of very important. We spend literally all day here. It can be a lot. The office space kind of helps separate work from home a little bit, even though we both basically work a lot. Now, the closet, like I said, I have a lot of clothes, so I'm a big fan of Alpha. We ordered it on their sale, 30% off. I have been rocking with my Alpha for like 2 years now, and I love it more than like drawers because you can take it down and bring it wherever you go. So it's kind of an investment, but I have like a set of drawers and clothing racks that I just bring everywhere. And then we've got the upstairs portion. Over here is like a little reading nook area. I'm just gonna use it to film my blogs, vlogs, whatever. Probably like set up the mirror here. I kind of want a bookshelf because I don't want it to just be a filming space. I want to actually pretend like I'm doing something important. I don't know, we'll see. So I've been contemplating like bookshelves, like 2 chairs. I don't know, because we're kind of just like looking out onto the stairs. So we'll see. And then you've got the washing room, the washer dryer area, washer dryer room, whatever that's called. Not important, all right. And then our bedroom. So this is what we're working with here. Now the only caveat is that the door to the balcony is in the bedroom. It was kind of, I don't know who decided that, but here we are. There's another apartment that has the door not in the bedroom and in that sitting room, but it was more expensive and it was like not that big of a deal. So we'll just make people take off their shoes. And then this is our closet, which these are coming down tonight because the Alpha is coming up. We are grooving. Got some how to style videos coming up that we gotta get to getting. And then the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty simple. Stand up shower. We'll see how much the water actually stays in this little vicinity. So, But here we go. And then honestly, the main reason why we chose this is for the balcony. If I can open it. This balcony right here. Some of the other apartments we looked at were over here, but this one had the best deal. And you like, look at how big this balcony is. Like, literally a whole other space, a whole other room. And because we spent the entire year basically cooped up indoors, this was literally a selling point. Like, how, I don't know how they did it, but here we are. We are here. But yes, next up is decorating. I wanted to be an interior designer when I was like 5 or 6, and my mother was like, no, not happening, find another passion. Obviously I was 5 and I was like, okay, fair enough. Only because the grind to be an interior decorator to get seen is a little bit more work. Luckily I ended up loving numbers and math and chose business instead, but still in my heart. So first on our list for decorating was obviously the office and the bed. The bed we got from Facebook Marketplace, score. The office, I don't know, Jalen somewhere. So we've got the standing desks, which I really like, the versatility, IKEA, some solid stuff. Honestly, some of it is poor quality, but you could find some hidden gems there. TJ Maxx, Ross, Home Goods, The Works, Etsy, and the Container Store for my organization. I'm not gonna call myself OCD because I know there are people that suffer with OCD and I don't think I have it to that extreme, but your girl loves some organization. I bought Spice container labels and spice jars before I bought some key furniture items. Let that sink in. Am I ashamed? Un poquito, but not really, because I love it. It makes me happy. Do what gives you joy in life. And obviously, manage your budget, manage your finances. And if those all align, then spend your coins where you see fit, save your coins where you see fit. I'm a good like 50-50. You have money, I work hard for it. I do save a lot and I'm a big saver, but I'm also not gonna just let all the money I work for sit in the savings account. Anyways, I'm rambling. But yes, your girl got some spice racks, I keep saying spice racks, spice jars in our drawer. So that'll be the first project. The office will be a big project, and the closet. So the closet for, I call it YouTubies. So my little YouTubies that I'm just getting started. And then the office space, because food's not gonna put itself on the table and gotta get to work. Work does not stop. So the office space will be important. Hopefully I can convince Jalen to do everything. Obviously I'm gonna help him, but I'm not a handy woman, no shame. I am an independent woman, but I do realize that if you are an independent woman, you either need to be able to do everything or pay somebody to do things for you. One of the two, but here we are. Jalen is a handyman and we are so thankful. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. But I stayed up all night to move. The movers are coming in like 15 minutes and then we are going to get to getting. It's completely empty, so got a lot to do. Don't even have internet, but here I am. Talking to y'all, literally rambling, talking to myself. My neighbors are probably like, oh dear Lord, what have we gotten ourselves into? Hopefully they've got some soundproof, whatever, because we gonna be having fun and party. I can't sing. Do I sing a lot? Can I sing? Can I hold the note if I wanted to? I would say yes. People that can actually sing might say otherwise, so, but let me know what you guys want to see. I'm going to be running and gunning, hitting TJ Maxx bright and early because there are some people out here that get all of the good stuff right when I wake up at noon. And no, I'm not ashamed that I'm not an early morning person. I used to be. I feel like the world would tell you that early morning people were either unsuccessful or lazy, but the world just is not made for people that sleep in late. Like, regardless, everything opens at 9 or 8, and where are y'all at 4 or 5 a.m. when I'm bright-eyed and getting stuff done? Nowhere. So if you like to stay up late like me, embrace it. Honestly, no matter what time I go to bed, I can still wake up at noon. So might as well go to bed at 4, wake up at noon. Well, clearly work starts at least 8:39. So go to bed at least by 2:30 maybe. Ooh.